Hope everybody out there is having a great day. We are in the kitchen with Chef Nino and Rouse's. Good to see you as always, Nino.
Hey, good to see you, Mr. Joe, and thank you guys for watching. We got a great recipe. We have made your life easier by giving you a jambalaya dinner mix that anyone can make in 30 minutes.
30 minutes for a jambalaya. Well, man, you're going to have to explain how we do just that.
Well, here's the thing. I'm not trying to compete with your all-day jambalayas, okay? Right. But a lot of times you don't have half a day to make a jambalaya.
Sure.
But you do have 30, 40 minutes to make a jambalaya, and that's where this fits in. And it's a darn good jambalaya. In this dinner mix kit, it has the rice, it has the roux, it has onions, bell peppers, celery, all the spices that you need for your jambalaya.
All mixed into one, so the things you need to provide additionally are you need to get the meats for it, right?
That's right. It calls for 1 pound of meat. You can do just chicken, just sausage, or I'm doing a chicken and sausage. You can get seafood, you know, and the Gulf Coast has abundance of good seafood. Rouse's has fresh at every market.
Yeah, a lot of people might want to throw some shrimp into it or something, but today you're going with the sausage and chicken, and additionally, you made the chicken step easier too. How'd you do that?
I got our famous Rouse's rotisserie chicken right here. It's very versatile. And some quick meal starters. Yes, sir. So I'm turned up the heat. I already have my butter. And I just want to saute that Rouse's famous andouille sausage. And I want to get those herbs and spices to really kind of just start emitting their goodness into the jambalaya.
All right, so we got the mix here. This is 8 ounces. It says 5 servings per container. You got a pound of that. So when you put those two together, you got enough for a whole family in 30 minutes, right?
That's right. That's right.
All right, sounds good. So we're going to let you continue work on that. When we come back, we're going to continue the process here in the kitchen with Rouse's and Chef Nino, a fantastic weeknight quick family recipe. Welcome back in with Chef Nino. Tell the good folks at home what you're working on.
Look, let me tell you, I know you're thinking jambalaya from a box. Just trust me on this, okay?
Okay.
When you don't have half a day to make your jambalaya, do the shopping and all of that, this is a darn good jambalaya. It's quick and easy, and it's foolproof. And you can add your own personality to it. Mm-hmm. You don't have to tell nobody you got the Rouse's jambalaya dinner mix. Add your own personality to it. So I sauteed our Rouse's andouille and our Rouse's rotisserie chicken. That's a lot of roar. Yes. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to put in my water. It calls for 2.5 cups of water. Okay.
And y'all, I used the jambalaya dinner mix, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks or so ago, and it wound up fantastic. It's exactly what we're talking about. A delicious meal, quick, easy, and simple. You can do it at home. You want to, I'm sorry, you measure that out carefully. Nice.
Yeah. I always put a little bit extra water. Why? I like you just kind of sit there and those flavors all coming together. And in so doing, it's going to evaporate, and you don't want a dry jambalaya, okay? So what I'm going to do is I want that water to come up to a boil. Now, if you want to make it a little more rich, you can use some chicken stock.
Okay, sure.
Even some beef stock works good.
Yeah.
Now, if you want a little bit darker, where I'm from in Louisiana, we have a real dark jambalaya. So I'm add a little bit of kitchen bouquet to it, about a tablespoon.
You like that kitchen bouquet stuff, man. I got to look into this.
Man, read some of those ingredients.
Browning and seasoning sauce, yeah.
Parsnips and carrots and
celery, cabbage, onion, parsley, turnips, parsnips, all that.
Isn't that amazing? There's some really good stuff, you know. Yes, indeed.
Oh, yeah.
And there's a nice subtle accentuation to stews, gumbos, and soups. Really versatile.
All right, so we've got our water in there, you've got your kitchen bouquet, you've got your pound of meat. What do we do next?
I want that water to come to a boil, and then I'm going to put the contents of our jambalaya dinner mix, okay? So when we come back, we're going to add this, put it on simmer, and I'm going to show you what the finished product looks like. We already made one ahead of time.
All right, sounds good. Can't wait for that. Stick around, y'all. Quick, easy, simple jambalaya.
Welcome back to Studio 10. We are back with Chef Nino working on this jambalaya. Where are we?
Where we at, girl? Like in Louisiana. Where you be at?
I'm throwing in letters and words all over the place.
That's all right. We're cooking jambalaya. It's okay to stumble every now and then.
That's right.
Yeah. So look, we got our Rouse's jambalaya dinner mix kit. We cut up our Rouse's andouille. We got half a pound, which is about half a rotisserie chicken, sauteed it down in some butter. 2.5 cups of water, brought it to a boil. That's where we are. And we put in a tablespoon of our kitchen bouquet if you want it a little darker. All right. Now this is the contents of the bag. It has the rice, all the seasonings, the garlic and the onion powder, onions, bell peppers, and celery dehydrated.
Right.
And when you pour it in, all those flavors are going to really come out. Oh my goodness gracious.
Nice.
Now what you want to do is cover it for about 30 minutes, and you want to lower the temperature, okay? And just let it simmer for about 30 minutes, okay? The directions are right there on the box. And let me show you what it looks like when it's done. I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. And I made one up ahead of time.
Yeah.
Look at here.
This
look
makes
at
a lot of jambalaya.
Yes, look at that. I think it's for 6 servings. Let's see. Five servings, or 2 if you're from Louisiana. It says.
I didn't read that on the box, but Chef Nino saw it, so maybe it's just applies to those people.
Perfect jambalaya. And this will get you to cook jambalaya when you don't have time or want to start a jambalaya from scratch.
Yeah, we have one of the gumbos in our pantry right now that you guys have, because it really is just so easy. So I'm going to try this out, which I know it's already delicious. Goodness, is that parsley or cilantro?
Yes, parsley.
Good as ever.
You see what I'm saying? I mean, everybody's busy these days, and so it's a quick and easy meal fix. Get you some jambalaya or gumbo dinner mix. Get that rotisserie chicken. Ross is gonna do it. And don't forget to pick up a king cake.
That's right. We love our king cakes too. All right, you guys, we hope you have a great day. We are gonna finish up this jambalaya. Well, I'm gonna eat it. It's already finished.
I know, that's right. Let's get it.